Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know I just finished one live, but yeah, I'm gonna start one again because I don't have anything else to do. Alright, I am thinking of making this channel a bit better, but let's see. Maybe I'll think about it rest of the day after we have finished solving some more questions. Let's go to coin change. Let me go back. So where are we at? 44 out of 250. A long way to go. Okay. Hmm. I'm gonna aim for 150, but yeah. Uh, for 150, we're not so far from 150. Uh, but I do. Okay. Let's do it. Coin change. So, what have we learned from the past questions? First step is always to come up with a recursive relationship. Um, yeah, and second, maybe try out a simpler way at first, as in like the brute force way. So maybe for this question, we'll start from brute force way, recursive, and then DP. So let's see how that goes. You are given an integer array coins representing coins of different denominations, $1, $5, etc., and an integer amount representing a target amount of money. Return the fewest number of coins that you need to make up the exact target amount. If it is impossible to make up the amount, return -1. You may assume that you have an unlimited number of each coin. I'm also thinking of writing a blog on whatever I've learned so I can just go back and look at things, look at bullet points, and then um, yeah, I think it would be good to revising some points, like write down the recursive relation or just think of the problem in a logical way. Um, like if you want to find the fewest number of coins, then that means you need to come up with all the number of ways that you can reach the target amount and then pick the fewer one. Um, so that kind of basic logic that makes sense and we can always go back to. So yeah, that's just a tangent thought I had. Anyway, so coins equals 1 comma 5 comma 10, amount equals 12, output 3. 10, so we can repeat a denomination. Hmm.
कहते फंसे ये क्या हो गया
Oh no. Oh no. Just don't listen to this. Sorry. Uh sorry about that. My I was listening to something on my phone and that started playing suddenly. Anyway, so explanation 2, 10 plus 1 plus 1. Not that we do not have to use every coin available. Cool. We do not have, okay. Oh my god. Um So one approach that comes to my mind is, like if you want the fewest number of coins, then you could take a greedy approach and pick the maximum one, right? But that might not always work. Um, I understand that. Um, uh, for 12, pick the maximum one. 10, 2 is the remaining value to get 2. to find if 2 is available, 2 is not available, 1 is available. So take 1. Just trying to think of okay. Not sure how can we attempt. You have unlimited number of each coin. Okay. Uh, what can we do? We know that it's possibly a DP question because of the optimization language used in the problem. And a DP problem is first solved by recursion. So we can think about solving it by recursion. But how do we do that? What do I need to do? 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 I cannot. Oh man. Okay, let me think. Uh, hmm. This sucks. Okay, I'm thinking. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Number of ways you can get a change for 12. Total number of ways. 8. Total number of ways. This reminds me of another question. Just trying to think of that. Min cost. It reminds me of climbing stairs, but min cost. How did we minimize it? In order to know the minimum cost, I think logically we should have to just watch of reach instead, and I could just choose min cost first. This is the greedy approach. Okay, something like this only. So minimum number of ways I can get a change for 12 is equal to minimum number of ways I can get a change for I don't know, uh, 1 plus number of ways can get a 1. Minimum number of ways I can get a change for 11. So if 1 is present, then I subtract it, or it would be 12 minus 5. So I would do like one way to I can get 5 rupees in one way. It's actually just one way. It's not 1 plus, it's just that minimum number of ways I can get 7 rupees. Then minimum number of ways I can get 2 rupees because 10 is available. So yeah, something like this I was thinking. Or actually you would need all of these. So it's basically min of coins I sorry target minus coins I uh okay if okay Yeah, this is correctly. And you iterate from like, you know, I in range of n, whatever, you know. So minimum of that, minimum of this, minimum of this, something like that. So minimum minimum number of ways I can get 11, minimum number of ways I can get 7, minimum number of ways I can get 2. So now again you have from min 11, you again we have like a lot of choices, right? We can take one, or yeah, we can take one, and then we'll have 12 left. Uh, so it's more like this reminds me of pick don't pick a bit. So if I choose this, actually no, nothing like that. If I pick denomination $1, sorry I got distracted. So that is just that's what I'm thinking. Mm, Basically, I'm thinking function target is going to be min of target minus um, coins coins I, that is going to be minimum of all these i's, right? Yeah, so something like this, minimum of, yeah, this is what I'm thinking. And if target um, is less than 0, return minus 1, return minus 1, or what? Yeah, return minus 1. Target so it's the frequency that I took, right? How do I count this number of denominations I used? That is equal to the number of recursive calls I needed to get to 0. Say, yeah, and this is the problem. Okay, so every recursive call that you make, just increase your one. So you should have int, uh, int. int equals some like int equals something, and I return like that uh, num, something like that. No, it should be some int max. You should return. It's not possible. Uh, yeah. Uh, and if it's greater, then you make the recursive call. That's what I'm thinking. Let's try to write it. I will just do one more. Okay, let's see what we can do. This is going to be our helper. This is our coin list. This is our amount. This is int. If sorry, just gonna call it target. Target is less than 0. Return int max in Python. Int max in Python. 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 Yeah. Ah, ah, oh boy. I'm just gonna copy Python 3. Sys. Oh boy. Ah man. My eyes are not very happy with this. This is max brightness. Oh boy. Okay, this is better. Uh, yes. So what I want to do is max. If target equals 0, return I. Okay. If that is not the case, target is greater than 0, then what we have to do? For j in range cost, sorry, length of costs, coins, I will need to, what do I need to do now? I need to call myself self dot helper. So sorry, self dot helper coins, comma, target. This is int um yeah, it's gonna be target minus coins j. Okay, so I'm calling coins j, target minus coins j. Okay, so and I'm going to yeah, so I have an I, right? So I'm going to do I plus 1. So you call it, and yeah, okay, now I have to return the minimum of from all of these, right? So I will just keep a min min coin variable, min coins 0. What should I do now? What should I do now? What should I do now? You will min okay, min coins. I'm gonna put it as sys. Okay, I'm just gonna put a -1 here because that just makes sense. Yeah. So if this thing is not equal to -1, okay, just what is the value? Temp coins equals sheet. Just move this. Okay, so temp coins equals this. If temp coins is not equal to -1, what do you do? Min coins equals min of temp coins, which is going to be temp coin comma min coins. Okay, that is the case. That is the case. That is the case. Okay, now what to? So it will give me the minimum. Okay. Yeah. Then if min min coins is not equal to sys dot max size, return min coins, else you can return -1. Cool. So yes, so that's what I'm thinking, guys. I hope this works. I'm gonna do a call self dot helper coins comma amount comma 1. Yeah, I think that's it. Run this. What does it say? Return I. What's wrong with that? Invalid syntax. Oh, sorry. Okay, some of them are passing, some of them are not right. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so my logic has been messed up somewhere. It's not working out. Let's see. Minimum rate. I really don't want to do a dry run. Okay, let's do a dry run. 11. I'm at 11. I pass 11. 1, 2, 5. Recursive call 1. Um, hmm, just do a 0 here. Null. Okay. Here, what does it say? 11. Okay. 11, right? So I think it is taking this one. So what is happening here? I am calling this guy. Coins is 11. Coins is 1, 1, 5, 10, 1, 2, 5, and target is 11. So pass 11, 11 I is equal to 0, target is less than 0, no, target is equal to 0, no, min coins dot, this is the max. So I will iterate through the list of the coins, and I will so I'll go through first one. So I'll pass coin target is 11, 11 minus 1, 11 minus 1 I will pass, that means 10, and this will be the first call. Now the target is 10. um, Coins are same, I is equal to 1. Then again I will do, okay. So now what I can do, again I will call 1, right? Thinking something, this should not be here actually. Okay, I think that is the problem. If after you have iterated through all the scenarios, it should be outside the for loop. Okay, now try running it. Oh wow, yay, it's correct. Okay, let's do a submit. This is probably gonna give us TLE. So, okay, so we just need to DP it, make it DP. So, let's see what we can do. Um, um, I'm so happy right now. Okay. So what do we need to do? What do we need to do? What do we need to do? We need to have an array where we can store the minimum. No, okay, so we would need an array of size amount. So the minimum ways to get 1, minimum ways to get 2, minimum ways to get 3. So I think that's how we can store it. So when instead of returning, I'll be storing it, and if it's present, then I'll be fetching it, so that I don't have to. Um, I think that is the right way to do it, right? Or maybe that's not the right way. Okay, let's see. So minimum number of ways I can get 11. Um, okay, actually now I'm a little confused. Okay, So suppose I make all the calls and eventually I land up at 7. Okay. I just have an intuition I'm gonna run with. I don't know how to explain it. Um, Memo equals just I just need to initialize an array. So I'm just gonna do this. It's gonna be -1 into it's gonna L n equals L. Uh, uh yeah. I think this should be n plus 1. Um, so minimum ways to get number 1, minimum ways to get 0, and so on, so on. I'm just thinking about that. So usually, when we try to DP it, I we want to be able to store this so that this is not getting recalculated. But I'm just thinking, is that even happening? Is that the repeated work that I'm supposed to DPI? Is DP make it efficient? Just thinking about that. I don't. I'll have to think. I'm tired. Okay, I'll have to concentrate for a minute. Uh, why don't we just run with it? I know I can't do that in an interview. Fine. Okay. So at every point, let's get rid of the syntax. So to minimize 12, I should minimize 11. Should minimize 7. I should minimize 10. Sorry. Um, right. I should minimize. Fucking like I don't know. Just don't. Why am I like this? Oh, sorry. 1, 7, and 2. Okay. Mm. So at this point, numbers ways you can get. I don't know. 10 ways you can get. Um, what do you say? 10 minus 5. 5 and minus 10. 7 minus 10 is gonna be 1. So this is my function call, and it's gonna be 1. It's gonna be sorry 6. It's gonna be 6. This is gonna be uh negative, so this will not exist. Um 1 or yeah, that's the only way. So I'm just checking the repeated work. So I would have calculated the minimum number of ways I can sum up to. So this here is repeated work, right? Um, yeah, like, yep, I think that's it. And then we got 1, then you got 9, then you got what, uh, 5, then you got um, 0. So that would have given me the answer. Ways you can sum up 0 is 0. Um, it's actually 0. Memo, memo 0 is equal. Oh, yeah, and so on, right? There is some repeated work I'm saying, but not as much. Not as much. It's more like if I found something, uh, like at this recursive call, like this will happen first. 12, it will go to 12, it will go to 11, 10, 9. It will first, do everything for my, um, it will be like depth first search. So, yes. Ah, ah, I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Okay, I'm gonna take a plunge. Don't know. Should be more professional in these videos. How else am I gonna crack interviews? Memo. Stick it like this. At this point, instead of just returning, I should do memo. Um, actually, can't do it here. Uh, Control Z Z Z Z. I could be. There are better ways to. Ah, shit, man. Okay. What am I doing? Okay. If memo um target at this point is not equal to -1, you should return that return memo I. Okay. Then while returning min coins, I should do memo target at this point is going to be mm-hmm. Okay, I don't know how correct this is. That's what it is. Just call this. Mm-hmm. 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 Actually, this will work. No issues. Let's see. What is this? And also, okay. Oof. It's not target here, is it? Somewhere I'm doing something wrong. It says index out of range. Interesting. I think it's coming from here. No way. Index out of range at this point. Oh, sorry, this is not correct. This should be amount. Sorry about that. Missing one required. Okay, cool. Let me just pause this. What else? Man. Oh, shit. Man. Okay. This is not working. Okay, now I am confused as hell. Okay, instead of putting this, I should be doing min, min. It should not be -1. Damn it! No, actually, this will not work because I'm not sure about this. It depends on this, and uh, it's already minus one. What minus one will do? What is the wrong thing? Seven. Why is it coming seven? It's coming a greater number. That means that uh, everything is same only. I'm missing some logic in between. Okay, I'm gonna walk around. My logic here was correct. If the logic was correct, then this shouldn't have happened. Sorry, but I have to ask. Need help sometimes. Okay. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me with that? Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh my god. I hope I don't get laughed at in the interview. What? What? He's still doing the same thing. Okay. What? What the hell? Oh, I'm getting pissed off. Seriously. Let's get this is 0. This is minus 1. Yeah, that's the depth. That's what I want. I think I'm gonna have to watch a tutorial for it because I don't know. I'm messing up here quite a bit. Iteratively. Let's see. This returns what is that? So at what point will I get I don't know. This is not -1. That means it's zero. It's either zero or it's some number of ways that you're sending return. It's either zero or it's memo target. Right. Iterating here itself. Where are you getting them? We are counting on the way back. We are counting ulta instead of counting backwards instead of forward. Okay, that is also interesting. That is not bad. But why is this not working? Why is this not working? That's so bad. Yes. No, still not working. What is the problem? Okay, zero, -1, return min coins. This is fine, min coins, temp coin. What, bro? This is the same logic I've written. So I don't know. I don't know the problem this is having, honestly. I'll have to do a dry run, and I don't know why. It will take a lot of time. I'm avoiding doing that. I know I shouldn't. Maybe we'll do a dry run at 16:51. Maybe we'll do a dry run at night. Uh, yeah, I'd like to do it not online because I'm kind of don't want to stare at the screen too much. No! Huh? If you really want to track I, then you cannot memorize just by target. You would need a memo target I 2D array, which doesn't make sense here since I just tracks coin count. Damn it, bro. Uh working, like it works. It works if I don't do the memorization with the same logic. It works. But if I do the memorization, then it doesn't work. That doesn't make any sense. That means there's something wrong. So probably I think it's this one only. Has to be here only. Okay. This is probably not storing the right value. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the live stream here. I'm gonna do it right on offline. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.